Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 1/0 gauge amp kit is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for any car audio enthusiast looking to seriously boost their sound system. This kit is the backbone of your high-powered audio setup, delivering the juice your amplifiers need to bring your music to life. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 1/0 gauge amp kits, exploring what makes a great kit, and helping you choose the perfect one for your ride. Number 5. GearIT 4-gauge battery cable kit. This all-in-one ground wiring kit includes two bundles of 25 feet wire made from 4GA copper-clad aluminum. It's perfect for automotive, electrical, and lighting applications. The kit comes with red and black soft jackets, 15 heavy-duty grounding lugs, and 20 pieces of heat-shrink tubing. The fully insulated, soft-touch jacket around each copper-clad aluminum wire makes it safe and easy to handle. Mechanics and construction workers will appreciate it on build sites, in automotive garages, and at marine jobs. The jacket is durable and flexible, great for tucking into sharp corners. With both black and red colors, you can keep your primary and ground connections separate. This separation is essential for convenience and safety, protecting your valuable equipment. Keep your power connections organized and clear with this kit. This all-in-one kit includes 15 GearIT copper lugs, avoiding extra spending. All 15 lugs are fitted to the 4-gauge wire, with 5 each in 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inches. These lugs work equally well whether crimped or soldered, and have a closed-end pad for extra protection. The included 3:1 heat-shrink tubing features an adhesive lining that melts when heat is applied, creating a watertight seal. You'll have peace of mind with waterproof, flame-retardant, and chemical-resistant ground connections when using this product. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete installation. The soft touch jacket makes it easy to handle and tuck into tight spaces. With color-coded wires, it's easy to keep your connections organized and safe. If you're looking for a convenient and safe solution for your car audio or electrical projects, you should consider this. What people say. The kit included everything needed for the install. The wire is true to gauge and the connectors are solid. The fuse holder is well built and the included fuse is the correct amperage. Number 4. InstallGear 10-gauge fuse holder with 150A fuse. This package includes a fuse holder and a 150A ANL fuse. It provides everything you need for secure wire connections. This ensures you have all the necessary components. The design allows for direct and reliable connections. It eliminates the need for wire terminals, saving you time and effort during installation. This feature simplifies the setup process. The fuse holder has a high conductive finish for optimal electrical performance. It minimizes signal loss and ensures dependable power distribution. This design enhances the efficiency of the system. The crystal clear cover allows for easy visual inspection of the fuse. You can quickly identify blown fuses. This feature provides a convenient way to monitor the fuse's status. It's crafted with a durable high-temperature base. The holder is built to withstand challenging conditions, ensuring consistent functionality. This design ensures longevity in various environments. What we like. This fuse holder features a direct connection design, eliminating the need for wire terminals. The high conductive finish ensures optimal electrical performance. The clear cover allows for easy visual inspection. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install fuse holder for your car audio system, you should consider this. What people say. The kit had everything needed. The wire is true to gauge. The fuse holder is well made. Number 3. InstallGear 10-gauge OFC power wire, 25-foot red. This 0-gauge OFC wire ensures efficient power transfer. It reduces resistance, which helps to optimize the performance of your car audio systems or other installations. The flexible jacket makes it easy to install in tight spaces. It's also designed to withstand wear, extreme temperatures, and outdoor exposure, ensuring its longevity. Whether you're wiring car speakers, battery cables, or other automotive components, this cable provides strong electrical connections. It's suitable for a variety of projects. Crafted from oxygen-free copper, it maximizes conductivity. This reduces voltage drop, delivering stable and efficient energy for any setup you have. The bright red color makes it easy to distinguish from other wires. It measures 25 feet, providing extended reach for your installation needs. What we like. This cable is made with OFC pure copper for efficient power transfer. The durable design ensures easy installation in tight spaces. The bright red color makes it easy to identify. If you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-install wire for your car audio system, you should consider this. What people say. This wire set stands out due to its 99% oxygen-free copper, OFC, construction. The build quality of this wire set is impressive. The 8-gauge thickness is ideal for a wide range of applications, providing a balance between flexibility and power handling. Number 2. GearIT 0-gauge CCA wire kit. This kit from GearIT includes everything you need for your electrical projects. It features high-quality wire and essential tools, making it perfect for automotive, electrical, and lighting applications. This kit is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The kit includes two 25-foot bundles of 1 0-gauge copper-clad aluminum wire. The red and black soft-touch jackets make it easy to identify primary and ground connections. It's durable, easy to handle, and ensures added safety. This professional crimper tool is designed for AWG 8 to 1 0 gauges. It has a high-precision jaw design and ergonomic handles with an anti-slip grip. The tool is compatible with copper and aluminum cable lugs, ensuring a secure connection. The kit also includes a heavy-duty cable cutter from GearIT. It's crafted from chrome vanadium steel and effortlessly cuts through various cable types. The precision-sharpened blades and ergonomic handles provide a clean cut and comfortable grip. Included are 1 0-gauge copper lugs, made with annealed bare copper. The surface is treated for corrosion protection, ensuring maximum current flow. These lugs are suitable for crimping or soldering, providing versatile connectivity options. Finally, the kit provides 3:1 heat shrink tubing in red and black. It shrinks to 1/3 of its original diameter, creating a tight and reliable seal. The adhesive lining ensures a watertight and weather-resistant connection, providing exceptional durability. What we like. This all-in-one kit includes a crimping tool and high-quality lugs. The crimping tool ensures a secure connection. The high-quality lugs provide optimal connectivity. If you are a DIY enthusiast who wants a complete kit with a crimping tool, you should consider this. What people say. The kit included everything needed for the install. The wire is true to gauge and the connectors are solid. The fuse holder is well built and the included fuse is the correct amperage. Number 1. InstallGear 1 0-gauge CCA wire, 50 feet. This 1 0-gauge wire from InstallGear includes 50 feet of CCA wire, with 25 feet each of black and red cables. It's perfect for your automotive battery, amplifier power, and ground connections. The wire is made of copper-clad aluminum, which is lightweight and high performance. This ensures effective power transfer, and the CCA construction provides strength and flexibility. It features a rugged, soft-touch PVC jacket. This design provides maximum flexibility and durability, allowing it to withstand high impact, extreme temperatures, oil, gas, and abrasions. The cables are color-coded red and black, making polarity identification simple. This feature reduces installation errors and protects your equipment from damage due to reversed polarity. This wire is ideal for car speaker wiring, RV trailer installations, welding cable connections, and battery quick connect systems. It's built to meet the demands of any wiring need. What we like. This wire uses CCA wire for effective power transfer. The durable PVC jacket ensures long-lasting performance. The color-coded cables make polarity identification easy. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install wire for your car audio or RV projects, you should consider this. What people say. The kit had everything I needed to install my amp. The wire is true to gauge. The fuse holder is waterproof. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.